Ladies and gentlemen, as the official, unofficial reviewer of Atlantis model kits, we're going to take a look at Snoopy and his Sopwith Camel. This kit retails around $30 and it is available online or at your local hobby shop. Always start with the box. Beautiful box art. Box art is basically the same as the 1970-71 release. However, it's just in a square box by Atlantis, and the name has changed. Atlantis logo from the old monogram Mattel logo. The back of the box shows the old comic strip, and the sides of the box shows the completed model. Always like to start with the instructions. They are color and almost like a booklet, and they fold out too. They are pretty self-explanatory. And we got on the back and the instructions are a heavyweight paper. The kit itself is molded in multicolored styrene. First, black sprue, basically the name, engine, propeller, and the battery compartment for the spinning propeller, which we'll show in just a moment. Detail on it very sharp for the age of the mold. Very little flash, if there is any. It's around the sprue itself. There's a doghouse stand. And of course Snoopy himself. His Sopwith Camel is molded in yellow. Again, only flash really on it, not on the parts itself, but on the sprue. And again, detail very, very sharp on it. Two more. Also molded in red. The cowling and his scarf that goes around his neck. However, mine was loose. Yours shouldn't be, but there is that. It does come with a motorized motor. You do get a motor and the battery lead on there. Comes poly-bagged. And the does come with stickers, not decals. These are the actual peel and stick. And but they are nicely done. Absolutely a fantastic kit. I highly recommend Snoopy and his Sopwith Camel.